In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Windows computer screen flickering, blinking, or flashing. So let's get started. Right click at the start button and go to device manager. Once the device manager window is opened, locate the option that is monitors and you'll find your monitor. Right click and then select update driver. Try first with search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Close this. Then update it manually. Right click, select update driver and then browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. If you have more than one available driver, simply choose or try one by one as to what will work for you and click on next. Windows has successfully updated the drivers, then close this. Close this, then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. Next method, right click at the start button and go to device manager. Expand the list for display adapters. We're going to update the graphics card. Right click, select update driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list. So here you have more than one available drivers. Try one by one. If you are facing the arrow with the first one, try the second one. And then simply click on next and Windows will successfully update the drivers. And do not forget to restart afterwards. We also need to update our Windows. So click on the start button and go to settings. Click on Windows Update on the left pane and simply click this button right here to update your Windows. And that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.